Okay, our next presenter with the study entitled Improvement of Testing Process for Pedal at Auto Parts Company, Mr. Boktot Louie.
Good morning once again to our panelists, Mr. Rapo, Mr. Espinosa, and Mr. Luis. So, to start with, I would like to introduce my defense proposal today is improvement of testing process for pedal at auto parts company. So, my name is Louis Boktot from Electric R&D company. So, for the background of my study, so as a global trend across the automotive, the auto parts company are need to keep their pace in the global market to become competitive in terms of goods and services. In the current automotive development, a lot of parts that are innovative throughout the year. One of these is the pedal, which has developed its part as a sensor type pedal. As a part of R&D and development company, we need to take a part of the development of the pedal by doing research, design, analysis, and testing process to have an efficient products and services. As the pedal developed, the testing department is need to improve the process from the traditional way into an advanced well-equipped machine. So one of the additional test process is the sensor specification test items, which is implemented by simulating the dust condition around the pedal in the actual cars so as to assess the performance of the sensor in terms of output of voltage. To have an optimum result for the test requirements, the machine should improve the capacity by modifying some parts and some common covers when conducting the testing process of the pedal. With this improvement, the company can accommodate the additional testing process using the existing machine. As a future result, the company will increase the profit and can be more competitive in the unstoppable automotive market trends. So, for the objectives of my study, so first, to design of improved testing process for the pedal at the auto parts company. To develop of improved testing process, and the last one is to evaluate the improved testing process in terms of efficiency, effectiveness, and the cost. So next, I came up with a conceptual framework. So first, my input is data observation, time study, and knowledge of testing process. And for the process, so the data gathering analysis and design of improved testing process, and development of the improved testing process, and also the last one is the evaluation for the process. And for the output is the improved testing process for the pedal of the auto parts company. So my proposed improvement is to use and modify existing jigs and equipment. And the second is to implement additional required test specification in the testing process. And the last one is to have a common cover for the testing process. So for my activities, so I use Gantt chart to set a plan of my activity plan for this proposal. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Now, I'll go direct to the methods and procedures.
Yes, sir.
So your research design is research and development, but I hope that you will give emphasis on the use of this for the design of the improvement of your testing process. Okay? And then that will lead you to the development of the improved testing process. Okay, sir? Because it was not mentioned here in the research design.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Revise it, sir.
Now, with regard to the procedures,
Yes.
the design of the improved testing process, like for instance, in yung pedal, so try to be very specific. What are those that have to be designed? Okay? So, hindi pwede yung the post-process was designed. This is a very big statement. So we have to we go direct to the point. Okay? What are those? You can enumerate what are those that have to be designed to improve the process. But the actual procedures of designing that, including equations, although there might be some complications necessary, it's even been discussed already in the related literature. Okay? So naturally, what are those that have been designed will also be developed. Very naturally. Okay? It will be designed, no? Then, so that you will have a tangible output, it should be developed. Okay? So kailangan, kung talaga sa development din, must be specific. Okay? And in relation to that, you have to provide other significant concepts. You have to provide other significant concepts. Okay? Depending on what you will design and what you will develop. Yes, sir? Well, there are those that I think are not clear. Okay? But I cannot identify it because I do not know what you're about to design, what you're about to develop. Okay po? And then, again, avoid too much information from the internet. Okay? Engineer Meneses?
Yes, thank you, sir. So, first, improve your background of the study by adding the problems encountered in the pedal assembly. Okay, try to present a certain data that will support your problem. Like, for example, a number of defects, occurrences, frequency. How do you measure your defects in the company?
So, actually sir, hindi siya for assembly. So, ang ginagawa doon is there's a product already, and then that product is going to have a testing process.
Testing.
So, right now, there's information, additional information that maybe the pedal have a sensor type. So that sensor type is not included to that machine. So
So
that's
you'll
why,
be incorporating that.
I'm sorry sir.
You'll be incorporating that.
Yes sir.
So in your significance of this specific answering the question how this group of people would be are significant in your research, your scope and delimitations, please include the time frame of your study that would limit your study, and also your definition of terms should be defined operationally. Add more relevant literature such as time study, flowchart, Ishikawa diagram. So these are more of the tools on how are you going to improve your process. Can you please flash the proposed improvement?
So, sir.
So what have you ever identified the jigs and equipments that you're going to modify?
So as of now, sir, I'm gathering a data. So usually there's a jigs there, but then I need to modify on how to implement the new process.
Okay. So with that, you have to also incorporate that in your design. Since you made mention of that proposed improvement, those should be part of your design. You have to provide or make or develop a standard testing process. And in developing that, you'll be modifying some existing jigs in order to at least help the process to be more simpler or to have a better process. So how about layout? Are you going to have changes in the layout of your workstations?
Well, for the layout, sir, it's the same. It's only an additional, like, to have a common cover.
Okay.
Just
So
just an additional.
it could be. So in your design, you should be able to discuss time study. Say you are about to improve the testing process of the pedal, and you have to mention also regarding jigs, the modification of, be specific what type of jig or equipment. So although you're not be responsible for the fabrication of that, but basically the design of the jig should be, you should have part of on the design of the jig. So in the development, since your title is process improvement, so what do you use in your company? Work instruction or standard operating procedure?
So we
SOP. Wala kayong work instruction.
works based on the criteria of the customer. Like for example, I would like this kind of testing process, so that's the instruction maybe.
Okay, so ano yung mas applicable na lang dun sa output mo? Work instruction or standard operating procedure? So that will be your output. Okay? So kung sa palagay mo, mas applicable yung standard operating procedure, yun yung gagawin mong output. Kung sa palagay mo, work instruction. Okay, but please make sure that this document should be properly signed by your immediate superior, because this will validate if you have already implemented the improved process. Okay? That would be all, sir.
So that is included with the data guidelines for the additional.
The work instruction should be in the result and discussion part.
Okay, later part.
Okay,
Okay na, sir.
advisor.
Okay, so all comments, suggestions are already written in your manuscript, so please follow that for the improvement of your paper. So for now, thank you and congratulations.